Next, let's crochet the rabbit. Let's start crocheting the rabbit's head. Start with a magic ring, chain 1, and work 6 single crochets into the ring. Then pull the tail to tighten. Make a slip stitch. Then crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Mark the first stitches of each round with a stitch marker. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the first stitch and make a slip stitch. In the second round, crochet 1 chain stitch. The second round is 2 crochet 6 single crochet increases. That is, crochet to single crochets in the same stitch. 6 groups in total. Put a marker on the first stitch at the beginning. Continue crocheting to single crochets in the next stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Connect the first stitch with a slip stitch. Then we started to crochet the third round. The third round is 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase forming a group. First, crochet 1 chain stitch. 1 single crochet. Continue crocheting to single crochets in the next stitch. You need to crochet 6 groups. Let me demonstrate again. In the first stitch, a single crochet and a single crochet increases, which means crocheting to single crochets in 1 stitch. Repeat crocheting 6 groups in total. And after finishing, slip stitch. Next, we start crocheting the 4th round. Crochet 1 chain stitch, 2 single crochets and 1 single crochet increase form a group. 2 single crochets, the 3rd stitch needs to be crocheted with 2 single crochets. Repeat crocheting 6 groups in total. Slip stitch to the 1st stitch to join. Now, we'll begin round 5. First, crochet 1 chain stitch. The repeat for round 5 is 3 single crochets and 1 single crochet increase. Crocheting 6 groups in total. You will have a total of 30 stitches at the end of this round. After 3 single crochets, in the 4th stitch, make a single crochet increase.